Every day offers a quiet chance to begin again, not with perfection, not with pressure, but with honesty. Because the truth is, you're not supposed to get everything right the first time. No one does. Life is a series of small restarts, gentle corrections, and new beginnings. So if you feel behind or stuck or disappointed with yourself, take a breath. You're allowed to begin again. And here's how. First, let go of the shame of starting over. Starting again doesn't mean you failed. It means you're still trying. It means you haven't given up on yourself. That is strength, not weakness. Second, start small, smaller than you think. A 5-minute walk, 1 page, 1 glass of water, 1 tiny act that says, I'm choosing myself again. Small beginnings grow into real momentum. Third, don't wait to feel ready. Readiness is a feeling that comes after you take action, not before. You don't need confidence to begin. You just need willingness. Fourth, be kind to the part of you that's tired. Beginning again is emotional work. It's courage. It's healing. So treat yourself like someone you love or someone you're learning to love. And finally, remember this: nothing is ruined. Not your day, not your progress, not your story. You can begin again at any moment, and that moment can be now. Every restart is a return to clarity, a return to who you want to become, and a return to yourself. So when you're ready, even if you don't feel ready, take one small step. This is how a better life begins. One gentle restart at a time.